Hello, welcome back to Subtech Online. We are going to see how we download Power BI, the free version for Power BI desktop. Power BI is one of the business intelligence tools now Microsoft is having, trending even more than Tableau. So we are going to find that at some point you'll need Power BI to do data analysis and have beautiful reports like what you're looking at. Now, in this session, in this video, I'm going to take you through how you download and install Power BI Desktop. So the first thing is we shall visit Google or Chrome or Microsoft Firefox. Search for Power BI. The first option that will come from powerbi.microsoft.com. This is the Power BI website. So you open this link. Then after that, you can read more about the product, and we move to products. So these are the different versions we have for Power BI, but all the other ones are you subscribe something to use them fully. But for now, we're going to look at Power BI Desktop, which is free. So click on Power BI Desktop. Then it is going to open a page giving you options. Now there is this download which you have to download and install online, but I may not recommend this depending on the prevailing specifications you have for your desktop. So we are going to go for the more options because we need to set the language. We need to select exactly what is going to work for the desktop you are using. So we want to see the downloads and languages. So now when you click on that link, it brings you to this page where we have two download options. So we have Power BI Desktop set up for desktops with a resolution of 64 bits. Then we have that one with a resolution of 32 bits. How do you check the resolution of your desktop? Go to Start, type System Information, which is this. Open that. So the moment you open the system summary, it is going to give you the hardware resources, and here it is. Our system type is times 64 based PC. So if you have times 32, then we shall have to download the 32 version. So you click on this, then next to download. So the moment you click next, the download is going to start shortly. The moment the download is done, then you can go ahead and install as how you install an application. This is it. This is the interface of Power BI. So it opens with that welcome page where it shows you the recent sources you have used to pick data. If you want to get data directly, then we have here what's new. You can go to their blog, you can read the forums, then even you have tutorials. So it is just encapsulated all in that. Then the next video we shall be meeting, starting our lessons on Power BI reports, dashboards. We see how we publish to online. Then we see how you can subscribe for a premium one. Then we shall also see how you can get a mobile one. So thanks guys. We meet in another video.